This old guy DIY video has to do with round 2 of the outhouse adventure. So with the Sawzall and the shovel, I was able to dig this thing down. So now it's about 26 inches across and 22 inches deep. I built a frame of 4x4s that I'm going to put around it and level it up, and then I'll put the outhouse on top of it. So I have this thing pretty level, and when it came to my 4x4 base, I just shot 10-inch timber screws. You can see one there. I just put a 10-inch timber screw into each end, through this end piece into the side piece. And now I just have to walk the outhouse over onto the foundation. I don't expect to be featured on Outhouse Monthly, but it's coming together pretty nicely. And to get it on the base, just kind of walking it back and forth. I'm here by myself, so it's kind of like one man moving a refrigerator. I swing that side in first, now I'll come back and push this side over. I'll just walk it onto that foundation. Well, the outhouse is installed. When I moved it on, you can see that front board was kind of shot. You can see where I put a couple of those big spikes through. So I'll bring a fresh 2x4 down here in the next couple of days, replace that front piece. When we come in here, see that the tub liner, or the dryer liner, lined up with where we want it lined up. So this thing is probably 20 years old. It'll need a little bit of repair. We'll get it back in action. Maybe it'll be a contender for outhouse.